In this video, we will see that how we can create a template to run a WhatsApp campaign in LionO360 CRM. So once user is logged into LionO360 CRM, user need to navigate to miscellaneous. Under miscellaneous, click on the messaging. Messaging is nothing, it's just a WhatsApp. So once inside the messaging, on the left side of our screen, there are three options: contact, WhatsApp, and settings. So user need to click on the WhatsApp drop down, and the very first option is of our templates. So once clicked on a template, here a user can see all the templates which have been created in a past. Also it have a search box which help the user to search any template. New helps to create a new template. Sync status helps the user to synchronize the template with the Facebook, and the last one is a refresh icon. So for now, let's start creating a new template. Click on a new. The very first field is of a name. User need to mention a name for the template. Once the name has been given, the next field is of a template category. What kind of a template category? Is it a utility or marketing? Here I'm taking it as a marketing. Next field is a template type. Under template type, we have four options here: text, image, video, and document. So this helps the user to select what kind of a template user is going to create. So here in my case, I'm taking it as a image. In the next step, we have a template format. Here I need to enter the message, that what message is going to be sent in that temp. The message has been in a template footer. User can add a signatures or anything he would like to add. Let's suppose I add Harry. On the right side here of the screen, I can see the template, that how this template will be visible. Now the last option is we have actions. Now under actions, we have a none, call to actions, quick reply, and all. So if I choose to call to actions, I have an option what kind of action I want a user to perform, whether to call me, a URL, or a flow. Let's suppose I select a URL, and here I will label the button which will be shown here, like I can see here visit us, and here I can mention website. Once this has been done, now user need to click on a save. Now here we can see the template has been created. Now once it has been created, it shows the pending status, because now user need to get it approved from the Facebook. So to get it approved from the Facebook, user need to click on the sync status, and now the status has been approved. So this is how a user can create a template in a WhatsApp for LionO360 CRM.